are going to love the 2017 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, front and rear floor mats, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, passenger airbag, MP3 player, child safety locks, power windows, power door locks, electronic stability control, fog lamps, rear head airbag. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.